This video we will fix the TradingView paper trading not working. Can't trade, place order. So it is how you can easily fix this problem. Step 1 is to reconnect paper trading account in TradingView. Session glitch can block order execution. In that case, you can firstly open your TradingView, then open the paper trading account panel, the trade panel. Now simple click on the arrow, the drop down arrow, and click on log out from the paper trading. Then after you can again click on trade or go to broker section and now select your broker, means connect with the paper trading account. Step 2, check market is open and trade. Order would not execute if the market is closed. So or symbol is restricted. So you can verify your trading hours of the asset. Try a higher liquid symbols like major, stock or crypto pairs. Step 3, reset paper trading account. Corrupt balance or settings can prevent the trade. In that case, simple click on the setting icon, click on reset account and now click on confirm reset. It can refresh the default settings of your the paper trading account. The next step is you can verify order parameters. Invalid input often cause the silent failure. Check quantity, order type, okay, limit and marketplace and price. Ensure order size is within a available fund. You can here check your available funds, account balance, and then you can do trade. And the last step is you can close and reopen the trading view. So open the browser completely. Then after, once you open the browser completely, close the browser completely, then again open the trading view. It can clear the cache memory of your browser. So here is how you can easily fix this problem. Goodbye.